All right, just received this stuff in the mail a couple days ago from Envision Auto 3D, and I ordered basically a couple of things that have a whole wide of specialty Honda tools. This stuff is 3D printed, and this one here is the Honda V6 Earth Dreams intake cover for just if you remove the plenum, you put this on. Make sure nothing falls inside of the runners. Yes, you can use cardboard, although if you consistently use these tools, this is nice. And you can also put some tools in here. As we can see, it does have a lip for your tools, your bolts. Very nice tool to use. Now, if you're doing injectors like we commonly do, basically once or twice a week, you need to remove the runner section of that, and then you cover it with these two right over here. So very good tool to use. I have these made out of cardboard, although these are a lot more durable, and all the stuff is very, very affordable. This is here for your radiator drain plug. So the 3/8 hex drive also has a hex head here. Whatever you want to use, I recommend loosening with this and then tightening it by hand. You don't want to break that. This here is for the interior clips on some of the Odyssey's pilots and stuff like that. Has a big knob here, so you could easily turn them out by hand. Typically I would use pliers, but that ends up marring the stuff. So this is very nice to have, and again, all very affordable. 1.5T, we're constantly doing injectors, so very nice to use, labeled very thoroughly so you won't mistake anything. Got his cutout here. So very, very cool stuff here. This is a seal driver for your crank seal. So R18, K20, K24, very cool. Also, again, very inexpensive. This is here for the older J series, and this one here is actually magnetic. So again, you can put your bolts, nuts, maybe a couple tools in here. Keeps everything nice in there. As you can see, it is magnetic, so very cool to have as well. And we have a axle seal driver kit here. This is the most expensive thing I think he offers, at least the one I purchased. Again, all different size drivers, very cool to have. Comes with this tray, so very nice. And last but not least, item that I purchased is a rain seal driver here. So you don't have to worry about, damaging the rain seal or anything like that, or using an inappropriate tool. So this is all 3D printed. Very cool, very affordable. I'll make sure to have his information either tagged or in the description section.